worked with some of the biggest celebrities and brands. Taylor Swift, Mercedes, Kate Upton, L'Oreal, and so many more. And there's a reason when we see them, we love or love to hate them. And it's what makes them iconic on their own, in their own style. And that's that they're all clear on their signature style. Right now, you might just feel a little blah every time you're going into your closet. You're bored, maybe overwhelmed, and you go in and it just feels just downright annoying each and every day. It's almost like it's Groundhog's Day. You go in and you pick out that same two-piece sweatsuit every day. And maybe the excitement is that you get gray or blue or whatever to mix it up from that normal, probably black tracksuit that you're wearing. And you do it day in and day out. You put it on, you go and do your work. It repeats itself over and over again, like Groundhog's Day. But imagine for a moment you could go into that same closet and you're excited. That outfit you put on helps you embody almost like main character energy. You go out into the world and everything is different. Even just going and working from your kitchen table feels profoundly changed. You are that change maker in the world, and that energy emulates outside of you and has an amazing ripple effect. That's why I created this 5-day Discover Your Signature Style workshop. I'm Crystal Cave. I'm a celebrity stylist, fashion designer, and the founder of Poppy Rose Style. I have had my style advice seen in major publications by over 1 billion people worldwide. And I've also worked with thousands of women in my award-winning online style program from around the globe of all different sizes and shapes. And I know it all starts with this big fundamental of getting clear on your unique style. So over this 5-day workshop, we're gonna have a lot of fun. And I'm really excited that each and every day we'll be in a private group where I'll go live for about 30 minutes and we'll actually give you actionable steps each and every day, where you'll even be able to work from your existing closet and start to embody and implement that signature style so you can go out into the world and be the change you're meant to be. If you're a soul level woman and you know your style needs to come from that inner essence, you'll love day one. That's where we will start out with visualizing your style. And then we'll bring that into day 2, where we'll talk all about defining your style. I have this one tip that I give all my stylist clients, and it helps them focus down and get clear and define their style. If you also loved being in athleisure, which I love my leggings too, I'm not kicking you out of them, you'll love day 3. It's all about merging style with comfort. And then day 4, if you've been wondering, what are trends even these days? You'll love it because I have curated down the season's it trends. I've also created a trend style guide for you to take with you after the workshop. And I will show you live on the air how you can actually implement these trends for the season on my own body, from my own closet. And how can you actually do that for yourself? We'll go through all that. And then the last day, become your own stylist. I have worked with women for 20 years in their closets. And I know I can go into someone's closet and give them everything, but it's a whole other thing to go out into the world and really embody that style icon that you are each and every day. So we'll talk you through the steps so you can take everything you've been working on that week and go out into the world and be that change you're meant to be. Show up as what is really a style icon. So whether you can show up live or not, I'll be doing live videos each and every day. We'll be doing prizes for those people that show up. I love the dreamers and the doers, so if you're one of those, you'll be right at home. And all the information to register is below. So I can't wait to help you on your journey to discovering your signature style, and I will see you in the workshop.